Automated digital products thrive on modular ecosystem design, where each module functions independently yet integrates seamlessly. This approach maximizes customer value by allowing tailored solutions and ensures scalability. By strategically designing these modules, businesses can easily adapt to changing market demands, offering features that resonate with their target audience. Furthermore, this modular design allows for quicker updates and enhancements. When one aspect of the product needs improvement, it can be modified without overhauling the entire system. This not only saves time but also reduces costs associated with development. Moreover, the use of modular ecosystems encourages innovation as businesses can experiment with new ideas in isolated modules. This reduces the risk involved in product development, paving the way for greater creativity and ultimately leading to improved user experiences. In conclusion, adopting a modular ecosystem design is not just a trend, it is a strategic move that positions businesses for long-term success in a competitive digital landscape. A modular ecosystem consists of a set of interchangeable standalone modules, each delivering a specific self-contained capability. Decoupling functionality into discrete modules enables organizations to assemble, update, and extend solutions rapidly in response to changing requirements. Each module can be independently developed, tested, and deployed, reducing complexity and risk while accelerating time to market. When new needs arise, teams can upgrade or replace individual modules without overhauling the entire system. For customers, this means tailored solutions. They can choose only the modules that address their unique workflows, maximizing value and minimizing unnecessary features. With standardized interfaces, all modules interoperate seamlessly, fostering collaboration and innovation. This approach future-proofs offerings and ensures adaptability as market demands evolve, supporting sustained growth and strategic objectives. Upsells involve inviting customers to upgrade to higher tier offerings or add premium features at the point of purchase or immediately after. By emphasizing enhanced capabilities, exclusive benefits, or cost savings compared to standalone purchases, upsells drive immediate revenue growth while deepening customer engagement. Bundles, on the other hand, combine complementary products or services into a single package at a discounted rate, simplifying decision-making and encouraging broader adoption. When thoughtfully designed, bundles boost average order value by presenting an attractive, cohesive solution rather than isolated items. Both strategies must align with customer needs and buying intent. Use personalized recommendations, targeted messaging, and dynamic pricing to surface the most relevant upsell or bundle options. Tracking key metrics, conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value allows continuous refinement through A/B testing and feedback loops. By balancing relevance, perceived value, and timing, upsells and bundles maximize revenue per user, enhance satisfaction, and support sustainable growth. Begin by pinpointing the singular, transformative benefit your product delivers, its core value proposition. Ask yourself, what pressing challenge does it solve for your customers? Once you have that foundation, design a complement of add-ons that enhance the primary solution without diluting its impact. These supplementary features should feel like natural extensions, tools or resources that streamline workflows, boost productivity, or deepen user engagement, yet remain optional for those who only need the essentials. Next, adopt a tiered pricing framework to align value with customer needs and willingness to pay. Offer a basic plan that grants full access to the core functionality at an accessible entry price. Introduce a pro tier that bundles your most popular add-ons, advanced analytics, priority support, or customization options at a competitive mid-level rate. Finally, create a premium package that includes every feature, plus exclusive perks like early access to new releases, dedicated account management, or bespoke integrations. This structured progression ensures each plan builds logically on the last, making upgrades feel intuitive. By clearly demarcating what's included at each level and the specific problems each solves, you guide prospects toward the package that best fits their needs, maximizing both satisfaction and revenue. In quarter one and quarter two, the primary focus will be on launching foundational modules that establish the core functionalities of our product. It is essential during this phase to actively collect feedback from early users to gain insights into their experiences. This feedback will help us refine core features, ensuring our product meets the user's needs effectively. This iterative process is crucial for building a strong foundation. By quarter three and quarter four, we will pivot to introducing essential add-ons that are driven by user demand and market insights. These additions will complement the foundational modules and enhance the overall user experience. We will closely monitor trends and preferences, allowing us to tailor our offerings and remain competitive. Our goal is to create a well-rounded product ecosystem that users find valuable and engaging. In year two and beyond, we will plan for the development of advanced modules that can expand the product's capabilities. This could include integrations with other platforms or tools that our users frequently utilize. Additionally, we will explore niche-specific expansions to cater to distinct market segments. Our strategy will ensure continuous innovation and adaptation to changing user needs, keeping our product relevant and effective. Begin by defining your first three modules. Module 1 addresses a core problem, serving as the foundation for the entire system. This module is designed to identify the primary challenges users face and offer a clear solution to tackle these issues effectively. By focusing on these core problems, we can create a strong starting point that resonates with our audience. Module 2 enhances the first by incorporating additional features that provide a bundled solution. This module aims to complement the foundational offerings of Module 1 by adding value through advanced tools or services. As we introduce these enhancements, we encourage users to see the benefits of integrating both modules for a more comprehensive experience. Module 3 introduces advanced features that create upsell opportunities from the initial modules. This module focuses on delivering high-level functionalities that cater to more specific needs, allowing users to customize their experience further. By strategically mapping these modules, we can build a seamless transition for users, guiding them through a journey of increasing benefits and value. The ultimate aim is to nurture loyalty and encourage long-term engagement with our offerings.